When you want to use the Footmuff in the SleepCarrier, you take the bottom part of the Footmuff and place it in the bottom part of the SleepCarrier. And then you take this top part and you fold it around the SleepCarrier like this. And then your baby will have a cozy space to sleep. This also fits inside your pram, so you can easily use it when outside. Your baby will have a snug place to sleep, even if it's cold. These buttons also allow you to put the Footmuff lid in different positions, depending on your baby's size.